Sir, question number 1B.
1B.
Answer as circulated.
Speaker, sir, during the general discussion on budget, I highlight that there is a need to reject Marina at Naushi proposed by private company under the lease agreement with Marmagua Port Authority. It is almost 14 years struggle, and every time locals have opposed it. Honorable MLA of Santander, Mr. Viresh Borkar, also spoke about the opposition of the public to the Marina project. When Honorable CM intervened and said that this is a green project and it is supposed to provide employment, the reply provided to me to my question, an additional document that we have obtained in the previous assembly session, and that is in the public domain. I would differ with Honorable CM that says that the project is a devastation to the ecology, marine life of the fragile area, and also will destroy the livelihood of traditional fishermen who are predominantly from ST category. Now, with this reply shows that the project proponent has approached GCZMA for the approval. And as per the reply, we understand that the matter is under scrutiny of the department. The people of Naushi and entire Zuari coast are worried. So, my first supplement, the original proposal for the public hearing for the environment impact assessment was withheld due to the public opposition, and even High Court observed that unless CZMP 2011 was finalized, no decision should be taken on this project. Now the requirement of EIA has been exempted from this project as a result of amendment made in the Environment Protection Act by Expert Appraisal Committee of Ministry of Environment of Government of India. As per the reply, the company has approached the आता company has approached for the NOC. Now the company has approached from the Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority on 15/9/2023. So, पहिलो तो CZMP plan is in 2019 is going on. पहिलो त्याचा जाऊन 2011 फायनल जाऊन ना. आता 2019 अजून फायनलाइज झालं ना. So
प्रश्न किती तुझो? प्रश्न नेमको प्रश्न तुझो नेमको प्रश्न विचार.
GCZMA has taken any decision on this project before finalizing of CZMP plan 2019.
Yes.
To decision घेतलो हेजेर 2019 CZMP plan जायनो पहिले.
Speaker sir, my honorable colleague has said that CZMP 2019 is under process. Am I right? 2019 is not complete, it's under process.
So, पहिला 2011 जाऊन ना म्हणते जाऊन.
As of today, CZMP 2011 is in force. So we will go by 2011.
2011.
I'm on my feet. You have spoken of the High Court judgment. The High Court judgment says that until CZMP 2011 is finalized,
this application cannot be entertained.
But आता 2019 CZMP चालू होता. आता तो अजून फायनल 19 फायनलाइज झालं ना, सो तो डिसिजन
2019
will take its own time to be completed.
So 2019 जावपासून तुम्ही रावपा जाय न्हू.
No, as of today, 2011 is in force.
Yes, दुसरा प्रश्न तुझो.
So, environment impact assessment report and it was prepared by the project proponent to a recognized institute and submitted to the government. It clearly shows that there will be a negative impact on fisheries, and the fact that the Zuari Bay between Sankwada in Marmagua Taluka and Naushi in Santander has a presence of endangered species called window plane oysters, which is found only in Zuari Bay, here in entire west coast of India, and overall found only in 3 places in the world. The proposed, त्यांना पहिला Marina project, Sankwadi project proposed केला, पण तिंगा reject केला फक्त एरिझोना लागून. जर थिंग reject केला जाल्यार हिंग कित्याक होता? सेम प्रॉब्लेम हिंगा. तो रिपोर्टा सगळे सांगलो हे सगळे ही डॅमेज जाता ती इरिवर्सिबल जेन्ना ही डॅमेज जातली ती पोत्यान मेळपाना जाल्यार सांकवाडे रिजेक्ट जाला हिंग कित्याक रिजेक्ट जायना.
Because the circumstances in Sankwal and the circumstances here are different. You have referred to the window pane oysters. That is not available this side. Biodiversity varies from place to place.
Because the village of village Panjala, Kurka, Bamboli, whose jurisdiction the project fall has opposed the project on every occasion and had several Ram Sabha in Naushi ward to oppose the project. Several other panchayats, even the municipality of Vasco has opposed the project where Marmara Port Authority operates from, who has floated this idea of marina cleaning, claiming that the entire coast in Goa comes under its jurisdiction. Also, several other panchayats and other organizations, local fishermen, environmentalists called Goenka against Marina, has opposed the project. Also, the fishermen and the locals has opposed the project, even fought in the court. Despite of all this opposition and the threat to livelihood of fishermen, why is the government supporting the project, which claim it is to be green? As per the reply given to me, not a single visit has been conducted by the experts of Goa State Pollution Control Board. Fisheries Department and visit Kerala, Goa Diversity Board and Kerala, Goa State Coastal Zone Management and Agency in Azun Pasu thing visit Kerala. Not a single visit by ministers, even as an environment minister, fisheries minister, MP or not, nor even a Honorable Chairman Pasu thing a visit Kerala. Zala walk it out.
Because I don't understand what makes the honorable member come to the conclusion that the government is supporting this project. Just because the chief minister has not visited.
एक पासून डिपार्टमेंट थिंगा विजिट मारला पुरो प्रोजेक्ट फॉरवर्ड करते.
Pardon me?
एक पासून डिपार्टमेंटान थिंगा एक पासून मुंच्या थिंगा ते साइटीचे विजिट मारला.
And yet you say the government is supporting the project. And yet you say that the government
सपोर्ट
is supporting the
करता.
project.
लास्ट टाइम सीएमान सांगला इट्स अ ग्रीन प्रोजेक्ट आणि एम्प्लॉयमेंट दिता तो सपोर्ट करता नो.
No, CM has not said that. You have
स्टेटमेंट
asked-
केला. स्टेटमेंट केला लास्ट टाइम इट्स अ ग्रीन प्रोजेक्ट आणि एम्प्लॉयमेंट दितला तो प्रोजेक्ट
Just one correction.
स्टेटमेंट
The Honorable Chief Minister
Speaker,
about
sir,
3
I am
days
on my
back.
feet.
Yeah, 3 days
Lord,
back,
please
he
sit, I
has
am
made
on
a
my feet.
statement. You have
Speaker,
made a
sir, I am on
statement,
my
Chief
feet.
Minister.
What is your issue? What makes you say that we are supporting? I am telling.
स्टेटमेंट केला
I am
सीएम
telling
इट्स अ
you-
ग्रीन प्रोजेक्ट
I am
आणि थिंगा
telling you-
एम्प्लॉयमेंट जातले.
I am telling you, in my answer I have said that we are yet to take a view on this particular project.
स्टेटमेंट केला न्हू सीएमान स्टेटमेंट केला इट्स अ ग्रीन प्रोजेक्ट आणि एम्प्लॉयमेंट दितले.
3
It's a
days
green
back,
project.
one minute.
we-
Just 3 days back, Honorable Chief Minister has made a statement that this project is a green project and he will go ahead. That is why.
स्पीकर सर हांवें सांगलां की ग्रीन प्रोजेक्ट मरिना सारकिले जे प्रोजेक्ट येता हांकां सपोर्ट करपाची गरज आसा. ताणें जें म्हटलां पळय न्ही आजून आमी आमचो स्टँड
We have
जो
not
आसा
taken
त्या
a stand.
प्रोजेक्टाचेर आमी क्लियर करूंक ना. बरोबर आहा तेजें. आमी खंय त्या प्रोजेक्टाचेर आमी हे दिली क्लियरन्स दिलें आमी इसी दिली एनवायरमेंट क्लियरन्स दिवंक ना. आजून हाज्या फुडें की एनवायरमेंट क्लियरन्स जे आसा पळय न्हू पब्लीक हियरींग दवरलें आहा. डेट अजून दिवंक ना ताज्या फुडें डिसायड जातलें. पयलींच कित्याक बोवाळ घालता स्पीकर सर? हांवें सांग हें सपोर्ट करपाक जाय. म्हजें म्हणणें आजुनी ग्रीन प्रोजेक्टांक सपोर्ट करपाची गरज आसा. ग्रीन इंडस्ट्रीचेर आमी
Inspired
सपोर्ट
थिंगा
करचे ना
थिंगा
जाल्यार
आख्खो
green job
एनवायरमेंट
कशें
डिस्टर्ब
तयार
जाता थिंगा लोकल
Green job
फिशरमॅन थिंगा
support
काबार
करपाची गरज
जाता
आसा.
थिंगा लोक रावता सगळ्या एसटी कम्युनिटी तरी असो प्रोजेक्ट मुखार येतलो.
Alex Lawrence.
Speaker sir,
Alex Lawrence. एक पहले तू दिता
Speaker sir, let me answer the honorable member.
Alex Lawrence.
Because sir, see, port actaचेर आमी जायत पावटी उलयता आहा, and it is about ownership of land for the Marmagua Port Trust. आता 1 lakh square meter is the land in question. आमी ह्या प्रोजेक्टाचे हांवें पासून जायत पावटी we have spoken against this project. Why? Because there are a lot of issues. Now, I just want one specific question. CZMP 2011, you said you are going to, it is in force. You have said that you will not do anything other than based on 2011. Now it is already that what you said is right, window pane oyster, it is in Schedule 1. Now I just want I want a clear-cut answer from you. Is this project, can it be done after it has been specified, it has been earmarked for this window pane oyster breeding center? Just one. Just one specific question.
This area has not been marked for oyster shell.
It is
What
marked
was
already.
marked for oyster shell was Shikali.
No, this also is marked. The entire area is marked. One second. The coast is, entire area is marked. It is not
This is
specified.
opposite.
One second. Speaker sir, it is not marked. Huisan exactly boundary marks zalna, but the entire area marked zalya. Okay, let him say that if it is entirely marked, will you take it up or not? That is my answer.
Yes.
See, my stand is very clear. The government has not taken a decision on the project till today. As far as the government is concerned, the application has been uploaded on the Parivesh portal only on 11th of July 2024. We therefore require time to study the proposal. 11th July 2024 is just 1 week ago. So give us time, we will study, and accordingly we will take a decision after studying various aspects, including the Environment Impact Assessment report.
Because I only let it go on record that we have raised these objections because these are substantial and substantial because it is eco-sensitive area. So I would only put it on record that he should consider this before doing anything. Thank you, Speaker.
Vijay Sardesai.
Speaker sir, since the minister has made it clear that the government is yet to take a decision on this issue, एकूच मंत्र्याक हांव सांगूंक सोदतां, नावशी म्हणटा एक फिशींग वर्ड आनी मार्क जाला जावं ना हें दुसरे भशेन. आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आहा की ट्रेडिशनल फिशरमॅन हे नावशी आसा, हें एक जालें. मेन स्पिकर सर तो मिनिस्टर, लॉ मिनिस्टरूय बी, म्हणून हांव एक सांगूंक सोदतां, MPT म्हळ्यार नॉट MPA, MPT got into a lease deed with Kargwal Construction when in 2010, 2010 MPTन करगवाल कन्स्ट्रक्शना कडेन लीज डीड केली. कितले जमनीची? जमनीची न्ही, वॉटर फ्रंटाची 1 लाख स्क्वेअर मिटर. आतां त्या टायमाचेर MPT वॉज नॉट द ओनर ऑफ दॅट. सो MPT गॉट इन टू अ लीज डीड विथ समबडी विदाउट ओनिंग द प्रॉपर्टी. स्पीकर सर, ही म्हजे कडेन लीज डीड आहा. आय विल प्लेस इट ऑर आय विल सेंड टू द लेजिस्लेचर सेक्रेटरी बाय ईमेल इमिजिएटली. मेजर पोर्ट्स बिल स्पीकर सर 2016 आयलें. मेजर पोर्ट्स ऑथॉरिटी ॲक्ट 2021 आयलो. ताजे मागीर MPT बिकेम MPA आनी ताजे मागीर IPBक प्रपोजल्स तांणी सबमीट केलो आनी IPBन तांकां पयलीं परमिशन दिल्लें 2015. पूण मेजर इश्यू कितें आहा स्पीकर सर, कोणाकूय कसलें परमिशन दिवचे पयलीं जमिनीत तर म्हजी न्ही, हांव एप्लाय कशें करूंक शकता? म्हजी जमीन नासतना हांवें काडली आनी युरी कडेन जर लीज डीड केली आनी युरीन एप्लाय केलें, जावंक शकना स्पीकर सर. पयलीं जमीन म्हजी आसपा जाय. सो हांव एक मंत्र्या कडेन मागतां की हो एस्पेक्ट तुमी पयलीं चॅक करा. आनी दर आमकां आनी आमच्या सरकाराक दिसता की आमचे ट्रेडिशनल फिशरमॅनांचो इंट्रस्ट आमी राखूंक जाय, जाल्यार MPTचो एग्रीमेंट करगवाला बरोबर 2010 जो केल्लो, जेन्ना तुमी नाशिल्ले हांगा, तेन्ना काँग्रेस सरकार आशिल्लो, तो एक्सक्यूज घेया आनी ताका भायर उडया आनी शेतकारांक नाका.
Yes. Minister.
आनी स्पीकर सर, तेन्ना कोण मिनिस्टर आशिल्लो, कितें आशिल्लें तें हांव वचूंक वचना. कित्याक वचना? कित्याक MPT तेन्ना गोंयच्या सरकाराच्या अंडर नाशिल्ली. हांव केन्नाच म्हणना की गोंयच्या सरकाराच्या अंडर MPT आयल्या, ना, हांव तें म्हणना. हांव फकत इतलें म्हणटा की MPTच्या बापायचे बेस्ट म्हणून MPT चिंतता. MPT हॅज बिकम अ स्टेट विदीन अ स्टेट. बेतलान मेरेन तांकां लागता. आरोसी बिचार
प्रश्न कितें तुजो?
हांव एकूच ताका पॉयंट आवट करूंक सोदतां की जमीन म्हळ्यार वॉटर फ्रंट MPTचो नाशिल्लो. नासतना दे वेंट इन टू अ लीज डीड विथ खरगवाल कन्स्ट्रक्शन. खरगवाल कन्स्ट्रक्शन तुमच्या म्हऱ्यान आयलां, IPB म्हऱ्यान आयलां, GCZMA म्हऱ्यान आयलां, परमिशन दी म्हणून मरिना घालपाक. जमीनूच तुजी नाशिल्ली तेन्ना तूं घेतलो कसो? विल यू कन्सिडर दीस?
Speaker sir, I will definitely consult the learned AG and get back.
Yes.
But we will definitely study this aspect.
Speaker, this Naushi Marina is a very important issue, and Honorable Minister has made a statement that Shikali dilna permission kitating oyster pane window pane oyster asa mon. I want to bring to the notice of the House that when this project proponent, tene EIA management report dalla, they have said the window pane oyster is the second item in the picture. They shown that the window pane oysters are there in this Naushim Bay. and I will submit it. There are photographs which are showing. I will send that also. They have put the pictures of it. Now, on that, earlier it was Schedule 4 of the Wildlife Act. Now it has been moved as Schedule 2. I'll just pass this quickly. Just, can you... It is gone as Schedule 2 of the Wildlife Act, and I would request you to kindly look at it because this cannot be touched and cannot be destroyed. So you'll have to factor this in when you're considering an application. But another major issue which comes here is, I think the government will be aware that there is a proceedings filed about the ownership of this land. The land, according to me, belongs to the government of Goa. The government of Goa has not granted the land to this project proponent. But they go and apply to MPT for getting permission and they execute a lease deed with MPT. How could they have done this? And I will just quote this. There are 4 copies, 3 copies. One for the Honorable Speaker, one for the Chief Minister, one for the Minister. Can you just pass that? Quickly. Then dila.
Dilati ek copy di.
Dite. So that you can just see this. Can I just read in the meantime?
Yes.
In page 1 of this, what I've given today, this is section 14 of the Land Revenue Code. All lands, public roads, lanes and paths and bridges, ditches, dikes and fences, on or beside the same, the bed of the sea, please remember, and of harbors, and creeks below the high water mark, end of rivers, streams, nalas, lakes and tanks, and all canals and watercourses, and all standing and flowing water, and all rights in or over the same or appertaining thereto, which are not the property of any person, and are hereby declared to be property of the government. So even the thing which is under the water, under the river or the sea, the bed of the sea, up to the high tide mark, belongs to the government of Goa. So it is a completely chicanerous way where they have taken this, gone to MPT, executed a lease, and government of Goa has been left just to watch it. How can it happen? You should have tendered. You should have invited applications. You should have granted the land or refused to grant the land. That's a different question. This is question of jurisdiction.
Anything else?
No, yes, I'll just. And the last thing, window pane oyster, please look at the page 51, last of this compilation. I've just put the schedule 2 in the previous page at page 49 so that you can see, because there are parts of it. Part F, number 12 down there. Can you see? Oysters, window pane oyster, placuna placenta. So that is in schedule 2. Now there is only one small paragraph I will read. I've given a Supreme Court judgment. Please, I'll just read this and then I'll tell you what is the question. Paragraph 88, which is at page 44. After page 43 on the back side. Paragraph 88. You all get that? 88. Dealing with integrational justice, it has been rightly observed that posterity shall not be treated like dirt. Now please look at the next paragraph. We may also briefly refer to the public trust doctrine and its applicability to matters under consideration. The public trust doctrine looks beyond the need of the present generation and also suggests that certain resources are invested with a special nature. It would be instructive to make a note of a story given in Timothy Patrick Brady in Boston College Environment Affairs Law Review Spring 1990 under the title, "But most of it belongs to those yet to be born." The story relates to a digging of a well at the time of drought, when a Frenchman told villagers of a prudent African solution of digging of a well. Many villagers agreed, but others argued that it will bring people from other villages and they will bring their cattle, and that would increase the pressure on already precious water. The Frenchman told the villagers that why not explain to them that the well is not only for your own village and that they can dig their own. It was then said, water is not only ours, but is a gift of nature from God and must be shared. Ultimately, they concluded it was wiser not to dig the well at all. The moral of the story is that we are trustees of natural resources which belong to all, including future generations. The public trust doctrine has to be used to protect the rights of this and also future generation. So this, as far as environmental matters are concerned, being of this serious concern, and as you pointed out, Shikali Bay tumi muntat oyster, window pane oyster asa, ingaya asa, internationally recognized. I will give you journals in international this thing, where it is recognized that these are the two places of in window pane oysters. So please take care and the steps you will take.
As far as
just a
your
minute.
issue on ownership, we will sit together, we will fix a meeting with the AG, and we will get some clarity on this issue.
Yes, Viresh Borkar.
स्पीकर सर
The window pane oyster
Viresh
is
Borkar.
खूब डिस्कशन जालें आनी रिसंटली थोडे 2-3 दीस पयलू सीएमान स्टेटमेंट केलो की मरिना हो प्रोजेक्ट हो ग्रीन प्रोजेक्ट म्हणून आतां ग्रीन प्रोजेक्ट काय कसलो प्रोजेक्ट आतां आमच्या दोतोरान सांगलां की कितें कितें आसा तें पण हांव मुद्दम सांगपाक सोदता जो एलॉय कगरवाल कंस्ट्रक्शन प्रायवेट लिमिटेड हे जो प्रोजेक्ट हाडपाक सोदता नावशी बेचेर 1 लाख स्क्वेअर मिटर जो एरिया आसा तो उदकान आसा आनी 50,000 स्क्वेअर मिटर जमनीर आसा आतां 1 लाख स्क्वेअर मिटर जो आसा तो ड्रेजिंग करपाचें आसा ड्रेजिंग आतां ड्रेजिंग केली म्हणटकीर कितें जाता तो खोल वयतलो भितर आनी जो आमचो फ्लोरा फॉना आसा तो काबार जातलो इकोसिस्टम बायोलॉजिकल सगळे काबार जातले आनी आयज ग्रीन प्रोजेक्ट्स जो सीएमान स्टेटमेंट केलो की ग्रीन प्रोजेक्ट म्हणून आनी एक सांगपाक सोदता हो जो एलॉय कगरवाल कंस्ट्रक्शन जे आसा ते बिल्डर बॉम्बेचे बिल्डर आनी तांकां एक्सपिरियन्स मात बसून ना म्हटल्यार केन्नाच तेंच्यांनी असले प्रोजेक्ट करूं ना फ्लोटींग जो हे म्हणटा पळय हो प्रोजेक्ट एकूय करूं ना आनी खंयच्या आदाराचेर जो सीएमान पयर स्टेटमेंट केलो खंयच्या आदाराचेर केलो स्पीकर सर आनी एक जेन्ना कोर्टान ना एकूच हांव बारीक ब्रीफ करता कळपाक जाय स्पीकर सर जेन्ना हांव क्वेश्चन विचारता स्पीकर सर
एक लक्षात घे तुका उत्तर दिल्लें आसा मंत्र्यान तुका उत्तर दिल्लें
ना, ना,
आसा
हांव एक-
म्हणजे भाशणापेक्षा तुजो स्पेसिफीक प्रश्न विचार ताचें उत्तर मेळटलें तुका
स्पीकर सर तोच क्वेश्चन करता जेन्ना हायकोर्टान पेटिशन फायल केलें आनी एजीन गोंयचे एजीन स्टेटमेंट दिला की द गोवा पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड हॅज नॉट कंडक्टेड एनी स्टडीज टू चेक द इम्पॅक्ट ऑन द मरिनाज द मरिना aquatic life, traditional fishing and river banks. However, the project proponent Kagarwal Construction Private Limited earlier had submitted a draft environmental impact assessment report for conducting public hearing for obtaining environment clearance.
तुजो नेमको प्रश्न विचार
स्पीकर सर कितें आसा आतां जेन्ना ते मागता आनी सेंटर गव्हर्मेंट हे अजून कोणाच स्टेटमेंट करून सांगूंक ना की सेंटर गव्हर्मेंटाच्या थ्रू तेंच्यांनी कांय पळोवंकूच ना हांगा स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटूय सांगता आमी कांयच करूं ना म्हटल्यार पोल्युशन
तुजो प्रश्न फुडलो क्वेश्चन कॉल आउट करता
जो ना स्पीकर सर हांव एकूच विचारपाक सोदता जो सेंटर गव्हर्मेंटाच्या थ्रू एनवायरमेंट क्लियरन्साची गरज ना म्हूण सांगलेली आसा आनी हो रिपोर्ट जो आसा तो हांगा स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटाक पावला आसतलो आतां जशें सीएमान स्टेटमेंट केला तितून अशें दिसता की तांकां कशें फुडें वचपाक जाय सेंटर गव्हर्मेंटाचो प्रेशर
तुजो प्रश्न विचार
ना स्पीकर सर म्हाजो प्रश्न सिंपल आसा की हो प्रोजेक्ट गोंयचो सरकार जो आसा तो स्क्रॅप करतलो काय ना कित्याक हेज्या पयलू सीएमान पासून स्टेटमेंट केल्लो हो प्रोजेक्ट आमी स्क्रॅप करता हो प्रोजेक्ट आमी घेयना हेज्या पयलू इलेक्शनाच्या पयलू आनी आतां परत तेंच्यांनी परत हाडलो सो म्हाका तो प्रश्न आसा की हो प्रोजेक्ट गोंया खातीर गोंयकारां खातीर ट्रायबल विलेजा खातीर ना तेच प्रश्न करता
मंत्र्या कडल्यान कितें अपेक्षीत आसा
म्हाजो सिंपल प्रश्न आसा की हो जो प्रोजेक्ट आसा मरिना प्रोजेक्ट एक नावशी आनी हांव बाकीचे कलीग जेंका लागता जावं तो रुदल्फ तेका काकरा विलेज ते सायडी बाकीची ऑशेल आमचे हेका जेनिफर मोन्सेराताक लागता तशेंच बाबूश मोन्सेराताक पणजे लागता पणजे कारंजली बीन सगळे नुस्तेकारांक लागता आतोन वाज आसा हांगा तेकाय लागता कुट्टाय लागता
प्रश्न कितें
म्हाजो सिंपल
तुजो मेन क्वेश्चन तुजो न्ही
म्हाजो सिंपल प्रश्न आसा की हो नावशी मरिना प्रोजेक्ट स्क्रॅप करतले काय ना सरकार
Speaker sir, at the outset, I would like to,
टाइम कोण वेस्ट करता म्हणटा प्रश्न विचारलो मरे टाइम कोण वेस्ट
विरेश बाब बसून घे
प्रोजेक्ट येता आमचे लोकांचो लायव्हलीहुडाचो प्रश्न आसा लायव्हलीहुडाचो प्रश्न आसा टाइम वेस्ट करता म्हटल्यार कितें
सर ताका सांग क्रॉस टॉक बंद कर म्हणून सांग
क्रॉस टॉक बंद कर न्हू टाइम वेस्ट ते क्रॉस टॉक पयलीं स्टार्ट केला टाइम वेस्ट करता म्हटल्यार कितें आमचे लोक काबार जाता थंय लायव्हलीहूड सोंपता लोकांचो धंदे काबार जाता
स्टार क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 विरेश बोरकर तुजो ना तुका आन्सर कशें मेळटलें तुका
Speaker sir, point of order, he cannot say on him because he is sitting there. And Ubaran Munna, he cannot say, he has to say sorry.
विरेश
He has to
बाब
say sorry.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 विरेश बोरकर
अरे स्पीकर सर ही इंटरप्टेड हिम फर्स्ट आमचे
कितें जालें माव मिस्टर ऑपोजिशन बसून घ्यात
मागीर
बसून घ्यात
दुसरे क्वेश्चन घे कॉल कर त्यानं पयलीं इंटरप्ट केलें
सुरेश बोरकार
तू येवन पळोवपाक जाय
तुका प्रश्न विचारपाचो ना?
हांगा
प्रश्न घे ना.
पोटाक लावपाक शकना आनी वयल्यान पोट मारपाक
चार question number two.
चालू आसा स्पीकर सर
चार क्वेश्चन नंबर टू
टाइम वेस्ट करता म्हणटा
सर एक मिनिट स्पीकर सर कोणूच उबो रावन उलोवंक ना तेका स्पीकर सर एल्टन एक मिनिट स्पीकर सर जो पर्यंत उबो रावन मनीस उलोवंक ना तो पर्यंत ताका इंटरप्ट करूंक ना तो डायरेक्टली ताका सामकें तोंड तोडून उलोवंक शकना आतां तरी उडोवन उबो रावन उलयता
टाइम वेस्ट करप म्हटल्यार कितें
चार क्वेश्चन नंबर टू गिरीश बोरकार गिरीश बोरकार तुझा प्रश्न विचारता तू
स्पीकर सर
Thank you, number
एक
two,
मिनिट
speaker.
Yes.
स्पीकर सर एकूच मिनिट ह्या हावजाची सँटिटी दवरात म्हणून सांगात हांगासर क्रॉस टॉक बंद करात कितें विचारपाक जाय सांगपाक जाय स्पीकर सर तुमकां सांगपाक जाय हांगा आरे तुरेची भाशा बंद करात लोक पळयता म्हाजें म्हणल्यार
चार
रिस्पेक्ट
question
सगळ्यांक तुमचे हांकां सांगा मातशें
कोण सांगला?
हांव जेन्ना आय एम ऑन माय लेग हांव उबो आसतना
स्पीकर सर
गिरीश बोरकार तुझा प्रश्न तू विचारता
स्पीकर सर एक मिनिट
Allegation number
Speaker
two,
सर रुलींग सायडींतल्यान कोणूच आरे तुरेची भाशा उलोवचो ना किंवा कोणूच कोणाक अक्रॉस उलोवचो ना तुमकां सांगतले इट इज अ ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट टू युअर चेअर तुमकां सांगपाक जाय
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH